Nabitawan ni Gonzalez. De La Cruz picks it up. And a layup.
Favorite shot by Bonbon De La Cruz.
Off leg.
Oo, off leg eh.
A little too casual there. Oh!
Oh!
JL!
Inabol eh.
My
Very
goodness!
Very inspired basketball. Yung
Akala ko
pinapakita.
preseason to. Playoffs chase down
Oo
block
nga
pa. Look at that.
Linis oh. Inspired basketball pinapakita ng Isabela Cowboys. And look at Coach Glenn Capaccio. Yung ano eh. Yung combination niya dito sa ball game na to eh.
Enriquez gets it to Gonzalez for three.
Wow.
We're
Good pass
tied.
by Nash Enriquez.
Nash from downtown. It's good.
I have that feeling na titira ni Nash talaga.
So 1 point lead for Pasay. JL. Down low to Art. Monmon is whistled for the foul. De Los Santos trying to go under.
He really loves those shots.
Elebrico. Gabayni is back on the floor. De La Cruz. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Art. Labas kay JL. De Los Santos. Jumper. Off the mark. Pasay with a stop. The foul on JL De Los Santos. Against JL De Los Santos. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Enriquez will launch it. Masyado malakas. Felebrico with the rebound. Final 2 minutes. DJ to Dondon. Gabayni has it. Art. Espajarito. The turnaround. No. Gabayni fighting for it. Nantabik napunta kay Nash Enriquez. A big stop for Pasay.
Yeah, good stop by Pasay. Very crucial tong possession na sa kanila ngayon.
They want the ball in the hands of Pajarito, and the foul is whistled on Art De La Cruz.
Yeah, they saw the mismatch there. But
Gonzalez will try to attack, blocked by Gomaru. That's the second block of Dondon Gomaru. Enriquez for three, yes!
another big shot by Nash Enriquez.
67. JL gambled on the steal. And Nash Enriquez lines up the three and knocks it down.
Ano niya talaga eh, talagang
Reality as Steve Nash Enriquez would love to enter this new chapter for him. Hanggang ngayon naninibago pa nga rin daw siya at di makapaniwala, lalo na at halos 9 years din siyang nasa NU. In this new journey, he will be carrying two things from Coach Jeff Napa, tapang at disiplina na kahit saan man siya mapunta, dadalhin niya mula sa nanggaling sa kanyang ikalawang tatay. Balik sa inyo.
De Los Santos against Gortiza here. Art, baba kay Gabayni, Martel with a steal.
yeah, basang-basa eh.
Enriquez able to bring the ball down against JL De Los Santos. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Nash, yeah, again! Take over mode.
Yes.
Nash Enriquez here. De Los Santos trying to answer, no good.
I was telling you a while ago, basta naumpisahan na ni Nash yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Has caught fire here. And the final tie is up by 7.
sumusunod yun eh. Iniisip niya, ganyan din ako dati.
Nash, dalawang mintis, but he gets the offensive rebound. Here's Enriquez.
Yeah, I think Isabela needs to foul.
What a show of force from Nash Enriquez. JL De Los Santos will lay this in, and that will do it. The Pasay Voyagers score a 76-69 win.
Yung preseason.
Kumbaga, yun nga, kagabi pa lang, kumbaga, di pa rin ako makapaniwala na kumbaga, pinapangarap ko lang to dati. Hindi ko akalain na makapaglaro akong pro dito sa Manila. And yun nga, by the grace of the Lord, nandito ako ngayon, na-share ko yung talent ko sa ibang tao. At hindi lang dito sa Manila, kundi sa buong Pilipinas na. And yun, thank God na nanalo kami ngayon, and it's because of him, nakuha namin yung panalo, and props sa mga coaches namin at mga kakampi ko.
And now, Steve Nash, you are living your dream. Baka meron kang gustong pasalamatan or batiin ngayon?
Gusto ko lang pasalamatan yung first, syempre si Lord. Syempre sa family ko, kay nanay ko, sa tatay ko, sa kapatid ko, si Wade. Nandito nanonood, sa girlfriend ko, kay Chloe. At syempre sa buong mga tropa ko sa Cebu. At syempre sa NU. Umaga, hindi ko makakamit tong pangarap na to hindi dahil sa NU. Hindi dahil kay Coach Jeff. Sa mga coaching staff nila, Coach Shot, Coach Glenn, na nasa Ilagan. And syempre sa mga kakampi ko, sa mga family nila, sa North Sports, sa Konting Negosyo. And syempre sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Team Pasay. And yun nga, unang game pa lang to, so marami pa. So one game at a time na po.
Again, Steve Nash, congratulations dahil ikaw ang ating...
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko eh. Nag-comment ako dun sa kanya. Big Time Plays, shoutout para sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much. Amazing! Bawal malate.
Mga eksena.
Pogi si subscribe nyo sa Big Time Plays, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
Bro, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!